Good morning, dear listeners. Welcome to our online lesson. I'm glad to see you again. And today's theme is to be going to. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to talk, ask, and answer the questions about your future plans and intentions. So, to be going to, it is not a tense, it is a structure that you can use to talk about your future. So, to be going to, it is a special structure that you use to talk about your future. The structure of going to is subject plus be plus going to plus infinitive. So the verb to be is conjugated. It means you can change to be according to the person. So look at the examples. Affirmative sentence. In affirmative sentences, first person singular, I am going to visit museum. Second person singular, you are going to visit museum. And third person singular, Alec is going to study for the exams. So you can contracted forms. I'm going to visit museum, you're going to visit museum, or Alex going to study for the exams. So negative sentence, we make negative sentence using the word not after the verb to be. Like in an example, I am not going to visit museum, you are not going to visit museum. So there is a contracted form, you aren't, and I am not. And in third person singular, Alec isn't going to study for the exams. And the questions. To make questions, we put the verb to be in front of the subject. Am I going to visit museum, or are you going to visit museum? Contractor forms are not possible. So using of the verb to be going to. The structure to be going to is normally used to indicate the future, but with some types of connection to the present. So we use it in the following situations. We use going to when we have the intentions to do something before we speak. We have already made a decision before speaking. Like in an example, she is going to be a professional dancer when she grows up. Next example, I'm going to accept the job offer. In these examples, we had an intention and before the speaking. So next using, we often use going to make a prediction about the future. Our prediction is based on the present evidence. We are saying that we think will happen. Here are some examples. We are going to sing at the party. It's 5 o'clock. You are going to miss your train. The sky is very black. It's going to snow again soon. So in this example, we had an intention and plan. And in these examples, the present situation, black sky, the time, and the party gives us a good idea of what is going to happen. So next using, when something is about to happen, we are certain that something is going to happen in the future and it is a logical consequence. Like in example, look at that car, it's going to crash into the yellow one. Or get back, the bomb is going to explode. Okay, and also we can say gonna instead of going to. It means you can use it in informal contexts, especially in speaking and in song lyrics. So we write gonna to show how to pronounce it. For example, one day I'm gonna be a star, or we are gonna sing at the party. So there is a practice, make up sentences using to be going to. Like in an example, I am going to stay in tonight. Next sentence, you come to the party. Make up sentence, please. You can pause the video and write your sentences in notebooks or in a piece of paper. So, sentence 2. Are you? There is a question, and so you can make up question like, are you going to come to my party? She studied hard for the exam. She is going to study hard for the exam. There is a mistake.